Okay, so in this video we will do something different again. We will try out an SSD that you can store your Caliber library on or your audiobooks on and use them on an Android-based e-reader like the Onyx Boox Palma or the Bigme B751c as I have here. And this portable SSD uses MagSafe. And as you know, I have done my Onyx Boox Palma MagSafe Compatible SSD here by attaching that magnetic ring, so I can use different MagSafe accessories like this. So by unboxing this magnetic portable SSD P10 from AIFFRO, we will see if it works with my Onyx Boox Palma, so I can store all my library, the complete library of ebooks and audiobooks. I will not show you when I copying all that, but I will see if this portable drive works. So let's remove all this plastic, and here we have the package, as you see. Let's try open it. Not as magic as an unboxing for Apple stuff, but almost. Nice. Nice box, protecting foam. Let's see what's in the box. Here we have the drive itself, I guess. Like so. Wow. It is as small as a MagSafe charger for the iPhone. Wow. And this also, by the way, works with the latest iPhones that has USB-C. So you can attach it on the iPhone itself and use the cable to the USB-C drive. USB-C port, I mean. And of course you can use this with a Mac, of course, using the USB-C. Or other computers, of course. So, what's more in this box? That's it for that. Here we have probably some cables. By the way, I will link down below in the description text where you can buy this excellent small portable SSD drive. I think it's amazing. It's so small and still uses 1 terabyte of storage. Amazing. So we have 2 different cables here. You see a special cable for having it connected to an iPhone, for example, or the Onyx Boox Palma, hopefully. Maybe the cable is too short for Onyx Boox Palma, because the Onyx Boox Palma is a bit taller than an iPhone. And here we have a straight USB-C cable, as you see. Very nice. So this USB-C is made for an iPhone, for example, and this you can use for other devices. So here we have the drive itself now. So let's try it with the Onyx Boox Palma. We can start the Onyx Boox Palma up. By the way, here you see my new launcher, Niagara. Very straightforward and very simple and nice UI for an ebook reader like the Onyx Boox Palma, I think. Here I have all the apps I read books in and more. Nice. So now we go into the storage files, it's called, I think. Files like this. Here we see now that we have nedladdningar, downloads. Here we have an SD card that I already installed in Onyx Boox Palma, for example. Here we have all the files for that. Here we see all the other stuff. So let's try this out. First with this. Which side is magnetic? Maybe this. Yes, I think. So let's try to put the cable like so. And we can go back to home. It's easier. Like so. And now we try to attach the cable into the Onyx Boox Palma and this on the MagSafe ring, and it doesn't. It was on the. Not good at all. I know you should not do this, unplug it, but I did. I didn't know that you need to have the AIFFRO logo on the other way around. I thought you should not do it like that. So we do it now the right way, like so and like so. So now we have attached 1 terabyte SSD on the Onyx Boox Palma, as you can see. Very, very nice. And here Solid Explorer works. And we can use that for checking out the drive. We can see in the Solid Explorer. Choose Access, Allow. Now we have the AIFFRO drive there, as you can see. We have the Onyx Boox Palma there, my SD card, and my AIFFRO drive there. Amazing, as you can see here. Wow, now we have everything we need to use this drive. I can attach folders here. I can have my complete caliber library on this. I can do anything I want, actually. So that's awesome, I guess. So we have down here, you can see some settings you can do. Here is the built-in Files app for this drive. And here we can do the settings I'm talking about. You can eject it and you can explore it. That's awesome. Really, really awesome. We have here now, we have the built-in Files app, as you can see. Here we have the SD card. And here we have the new AIFFRO drive. And here we have the Onyx Boox Palma. So if we click here, we go into the AIFFRO drive. And here we have the default folders that you always get when you attach some drives to your Android devices. So now I can use this amazing small SSD drive on my Onyx Boox Palma with a nice cable attached by MagSafe, as you see here. Amazing! And this works with the iPhones too, the latest iPhones. You can use USB-C to the iPhones. This works with iPad, Mac, I guess Android phones, because it works with Onyx Boox Palma, as you saw. It probably works with Windows machine. I don't use Windows, I don't know. But that is amazing. And of course it works with the Bigme too, because it uses Android in the same way. So you just connect it to the USB-C port here and use it with a Bigme e-reader. I'm stunned actually, because this is so freaking awesome. You see, amazing, 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 amazing. I mean, wow, This is so cool. Don't you agree? Let's see the name here. We have a straight cable, a designed cable for phones or the Onyx Boox Palma, and here we have the name Magnetic Portable SSD P10, 1 terabyte, 2000 megabyte per second read. Amazing, from AIFFRO. Go check the links out and buy this because it's amazing. You can use it with your Onyx Boox Palma and all your other devices. So freaking cool. I love this. So nice. Okay, bye.